So these bumper brackets that I'm about to install, you have one of them on each corner. So the one I'm replacing today is on the driver's side. And it's this assembly right here. I'm gonna start by removing this bolt at the front, 15 millimeter. Next, take these two bolts out, also 15 millimeter. Okay, the nut appears to be welded. It's actually a little too rusty for me to see, so that's why I didn't know. I can see that the original bolts had red thread locker on them, so I'm gonna go clean them up and reapply red thread locker. In order for this bracket to mount properly, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the surface a little bit. Line up your new bracket. I'm gonna go ahead and start 2 of them in. As you can see, this bracket can move back and forth, and you need that in order to line up the bumper. Once that's lined up, I'm gonna raise the bracket all the way up on the bumper. Once you have all your bolts started, I'm gonna raise the bracket on the bumper and then snug it up. Make sure it's nice and tight. And now you can tighten these two.